Welcome to J&J's test video for LLNS178. This is a 1990 Nissan Maxima GXE with an early 3-liter VQ motor in there. That's one of the early ones. Not the first one, but it's early. We have 92,000 miles on this motor. I'll give you a little sound here. Not bad. Hit here in the right front corner. Looks like it lost a strut or something. Drug down the side a little bit. A little rusty, but not bad overall. These are good little parts cars for us. Nothing exciting, just a base model. Cloth interior. Back before airbags, so they had to have the active seat belts. That was the law back in the day. If you didn't have an airbag, you had to have a seat belt that rode on a track. And let's see if we can get it here. 92,000. Trying to get you nice. This camera is not very good. 92,920. The alternator, the battery's bad. That's why it's breaking up. You watch the lights. Heater controls work. All that, but I can't put it on the battery. I'll show you the transmission. There's drive. I gotta be careful because that wheel's not bolted on. I don't want to lose a wheel. There's reverse. I think the batteries, something's up with that, but that'll do it for this Maxima. 92,000 miles, LLNS178. You can visit us at jnjoh.com. You can call us toll free at 1-800-425-1555. You can also visit us on all your social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter at J&J Auto Wrecking, or J-A-N-D-J Auto Wrecking. And you can also find all our parts on eBay. And as well, thank you for watching. We appreciate all your business, and have your pets spayed and neutered.